What's good, everybody? Welcome on XAUUSD channel. If you guys don't know, my name is Jan, and welcome in this special live stream. I think that we can call it special since we have FOMC meeting coming up. So we are expecting some volatility in the market. I have a pretty clear plan, which I'll show you in the upcoming minutes. So stay tuned. But I think that without further ado, we can jump into it. I'm gonna start sharing my screen. Guys, let me know if you can see me, if you can hear me, if you can see my screen. I see Pigman in the chat. What's up, man? How are you doing? I think that's pretty good from what I saw on your FTMO account, but okay, guys, we can jump into it. Let me delete some of the TA that I have here. And let me show you my plan. Very simple one. I'm still remaining short, which actually I have my phone here. I'm still remaining in a short position. I'm planning to take this lower, and I'm still looking for the same target as I was yesterday. This is the FTMO account. Actually this week, let me actually switch this. Actually this week I'm absolutely killing it, like, to be honest, without any bragging, but this week so far is very successful. If we're gonna hit the TP on a BTC short, it's gonna be even better. But right now, two positions opened, one on EURUSD, second one on BDC, and on FTMO we are up by 13,500, which so far so good. Let's say like this. So on a BDC, what I'm expecting? Well, the news are coming out exactly this time. So let me show you the vertical line. We are expecting some increase in the volatility right here. We can go down to 5-minute time frame. What I'm looking for is still move to the downside. If you watched my video from actually today in the morning, I released the video. I was recording yesterday, but I'm still looking for this value area high, this 19,900, 19,800 area to be at least retested. We'll see how it goes from there. If we're gonna get a move to the upside, which is definitely possible, we'll see how it goes. But if we're gonna get a move to the upside, then what I would be looking for is 21,800, 700 area. Not expecting it's gonna be ultra super strong, but it's definitely a level we should be aware of. And if we're gonna reclaim even that, sorry, I wasn't sharing the screen. If we're gonna reclaim even that, then we are looking for 22,400, which is gonna be more important level for me. And also it's my entry on both Bybit accounts, so on my swing trading account and on my day trading account. So for me, this is very, very important level, and we'll see how it goes from there. But this is the plan on a BTC. I'm looking lower, to be completely honest. If we're gonna lose even this level, which is possible, I'm not saying I'm gonna long, but I'm definitely gonna be collapsing short. I want to take at least profit here. Maybe not gonna close the full trade. We'll see how it goes. We'll see what reaction we're gonna get. But it's definitely a level we need to be aware of. This 19,800. If we're gonna break through it, then I'm looking for 19,500. To 400 area. That's the next level on the chart, so I think that we can mark it out with the SR box. And anything above us, I don't care about it, to be completely honest. Next level that I have, 21,700, 600. Anything here, I don't care. Simply said, I'm gonna get stopped out and break even, fine. I'm not gonna lose any money, so why would I care up there? simply said. You see that here, this is still holding us super well. So this green box that we are marking out on Sunday in the FTA, we'll see if we can break through it. I think that we will, but obviously this is level number 1 we need to be aware of. Okay, let's check gold and let's check what is happening here. Today we got a pretty nice swing failure pattern. Actually, this was super good trade. The thing is that I wasn't able to take it since I was in my car in another repair shop, but I was tinting my glass or like my windows. So I wasn't trading in the morning, to be completely honest. So I wasn't able to take this short on a gold, but it played out very nicely. The TP on this, I would definitely be looking for a VP. So I would be collapsing the trade right here, which is kind of a level where we are bouncing off right now. But yeah, the plan is very simple. We'll see how it goes from there. Let me check chat. You are not sharing your screen. I think that I am right now. Yeah, I'm sorry guys. I'm not good at streaming. I'm good at trading, but not good at streaming. Anyway, I should announce this on Twitter that we are live. And we have 2 minutes. So in 2 minutes, we're gonna get some volatility. If we will have a look to the Crypto Wizards website, to the economic news page, right here, we have Fed interest rate decision in 2 minutes, and then we have the FOMC press conference in 32 minutes. So these are the 2 times we should be aware of. We'll see how it goes from there. We are still next week, I think, in the US, they have the midterm elections. So basically, I think the intentions would be to not share so bad news, if you know what I mean. So in my opinion, they're not gonna release like a really bearish news. And if they don't, simply they will just move this to December, because eventually they need to release it. So it's either gonna be today or in December. But yeah, let's wait 1 minute and we'll see how it goes. So we can check for full details of this event. The forecast is 4%. So let's see. I need to reload the page. The data should be shared already. Are they? And here we go. So let's see how it goes. Let me delete this line so we can actually see the price action. Look at this. We can actually hide this green box for now. And let's wait and see. I'm actually going to close the trade on EURUSD. Let me do it right now. This must be take profit for me. At least TP1. So, on EURUSD, I'm up by 6%. Let me just go full screen again. So I'm gonna take 50% of the trade. So closing this with $3,000%, sorry, $3,000 in a profit. This is the TP1. And let's check what's happening on BTC. Right now, $1,000 up, but this is changing pretty quickly. This is my entry on a BTC short. The thing is that on FTMO, the stop loss is not hit yet. Well, I think I'm gonna get stopped out actually in a break even. We'll see. But for me, there is no need to actually hold it longer. The thing that can happen is create a swing value pattern of the high here and get reaction down to the levels that we are paying attention to. The thing is that what I like to do is I'm waiting for price to settle down a little bit after these important news. So if I'm gonna get stopped out, I'm not gonna enter any new position until tomorrow. Simply said, because it's always good to wait for a few hours to give it the initial market structure after the news. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. Do we have any questions? Pigman saying he's good. Of course you are. Secure that first profit made on EFTMO. And then from a psychology perspective, you are completely free. That's all you need. That's all you need. What level did we hit exactly? Here. $20,160. Do we have anything here? I think it could be daily. Is it? Yeah, the daily was to 20,294, so a bit higher. But yeah, I think I'm gonna get stopped out very soon on that BTC chart. Let's wait and see. We can check order flow, but obviously very low liquidity moves. Yeah. You see how these candles are huge. Look at this. This is 10 million. Each candle is based on 10 million volume transacted. Look at these candles. Let me actually open the desktop version of the XAUUSD charts. By the way, if anyone is wondering how you can get this template, I was actually doing a video a few days ago about this. So check that out, because I feel like, I've got a lot of requests if I can share the template and so on, and I always said no. Simply said I don't want to share the template. But what I did is I created exact tutorial on how you create the same thing on your own. So I think that you will also understand it more if you will if I will actually show you the exact steps what I'm doing. So go to our YouTube channel. It's absolutely free. It's called Session Templates Tutorial right here. So you can create your own template if you want to. But let me focus on the BTC position now. Let's quickly check gold. I'm going to preset an alert here. Okay, gold is getting moved to the upside. We got a pretty nice trade yesterday. Yeah, yesterday. Out of that 1657, we got a level exactly to the dollar. But Yeah, this was respected very, very nicely. But right now we are breaking the structure to the upside. I would be looking on a gold. What levels do we have? The 786 is going to be the next one, but also this thing here. We are hitting the POC. Value area high is the next. Yeah, 1667 is going to be next possible short. But do you want to short against, against news and pump? Well, probably not really. Okay, so guys, I'm getting stopped out on a BTC position in a break even, which I'm fine with that. But the EURUSD keeps pumping, which is currently pretty nice trade. Is FTMO only available on MT4? I hate trading. No, it's not. You can also use what's it called? I don't have any experience with that though. Oh yeah, C Trader. Yeah, C Trader. I've never used it. Can't really tell. Can't really tell if it's good or not. But is the other option that you can use. Someone is asking me in a chat what was the confluence to go long on EURUSD. So here you have it. Very simple, right? Also, this thing down there, daily with the VP, daily time frame in the uptrend. So this was very simple position. Take profit 382. If anyone is wondering why I was taking profit here, 382 from the move up to the down. Very easy trade. Thank you. You are welcome. Yeah, give it a try to the C Trader. The thing why I've never used it is that I don't think it's available for a Mac, but I'm not 100% sure. Maybe it is, but I don't think so. Yeah. Look at this. Just looking at where it's gonna be the next next TP on EURUSD. The thing that we need to break is basically this small consolidation zone here, and especially the POC of it, which is this, which I think that we will, but it can take some time, or we can struggle a bit here, but we'll see how it goes. Then possible 618 and a 66 is gonna be the next level. Since we are breaking the structure here, I would be looking for a new, higher high to be made. We'll see, but yeah, this is gonna be the next important level for me on EURUSD. I think that we also have no, we don't actually. But yeah, this 618 and a 66 definitely level you need to be aware of, or even possible take profit level. For me, it started as a quite poor FTMO account, or like after every single profit split, they're gonna give you like the account is resetting. So it started not so well, But this is exactly what I'm talking about. Trading is not like this, straight line to the upside. It's always like up, 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 a little bit down, up, up, up. So yeah, it is what it is. The important thing is that every time when you are in that when the line is pointing to the downside, you need to keep doing the same thing, because if you're gonna start changing something and you're not gonna take setups and so on and so forth, the line is gonna continue going down. You need to stick to your system, stick to your strategy, and then it's gonna work. But only if you're gonna do this. I'm gonna remain live until the start of the FOMC meeting, which is in 17 minutes from now. So that's gonna be the second important time where we're gonna be expecting some volatility coming in. On EURUSD, we can possibly create a swing failure pattern of this high now, but I wouldn't be shorting it, to be honest. Too risky. Let's check volume a bit. Obviously something you would expect, but yeah. The thing is that a lot of times the first move is gonna be only like a liquidity grab or like a fake out. Then you're gonna get the opposite direction, which could be the case here. But I'm gonna rather be out of the market. You can possibly re-enter. There is no rule that you can't. But I'm gonna wait for price to stabilize a bit, to be completely honest. But yeah, we'll see. You see that forecast was 3.25. The actual release is 3.25. So this is the thing that I was talking about. They just extended the waiting time to December. In December, I'm expecting really bearish news and the market going down. But yeah, like I'm not bullish at all on BTC or neither on other markets actually. So, but yeah, we'll see. Of course, it's a game of probabilities. You never know what's gonna happen, but I wouldn't feel like bullish at all yet. Enough standing. We might also extend to this daily up there, 20,800, but it's tested already here. I can actually open this. Yeah. It was tested here yesterday, no, 2 days ago actually, 10 a.m. And it was almost hit here. We have the newer one up there. So a little bit higher, which is still untested. So this is next level of resistance. But would I short this? Honestly, no. I wouldn't. I would not short that. Yeah, EURUSD, the plan is very easy or very simple. Look for this 618 and a 66. Gold, I told you the plan too. Overall, we got rejected from 05, I think. Yeah. So I'd be looking for a 1686 overall, 1691 to be hit in the next few days. I haven't been trading Ethereum in ages. I don't know, I just don't like trading ETH actually. I'm not even gonna do like some. I'm only pulling Fibonacci's here, so like don't take me too seriously here. It's just a very basic TA. Like if I would be trading this, I would have to mark out all the volume levels, market structure levels, or like the horizontals and so on. But yeah, like I said, I'm not paying attention to Ethereum at all. Yeah, we are struggling to break through this level. Basically through this previous high. So you see that it can create like a really nice SFP. We can go to lower time frame. So like a 5 minute, you know what? Let's read the order flow a bit here. 5 minute time frame. Yeah, but actually like the buy side is not so aggressive here. You see only 4% delta, 5% here. Here we got 23 so far, but it's not looking very strong, but not also weak. It's exactly what you would expect to create some sideways movement for now. What plan do you guys have? I want to see that or hear that if you have any. But you should, like, that's the most important thing in trading. If you don't have a plan, how will the numbers have influenced the dollar? Honestly, I'm not. To be honest, I don't think that I'm the right guy to talk about fundamental news, since I'm not paying like too much attention to it. For me, it's really only about bringing in some volatility and then like paying attention to actual number, like good. You want to see if it's more bullish or bearish, but or at least this is my perspective. You want to know if it's more bullish or bearish, but do I pay like attention when I'm making the decision if I'm gonna go long, short, whatever it is? Actually, no. So yeah, I don't think that I'm the right guy to talk about the interest rates, but higher they are, it's more bearish. Obviously, the lower they are, it's more bullish, since we got the forecast one it's a bit of a neutral. I think that everyone was expecting that it's gonna be a bit more bearish, so we can consider this as a bit more bullish new. But once again, I'm not like paying too much attention to it. Can remain short till reclaim of POC. It's actually not a bad plan. I'm pretty sure you mean this, right? Yeah. It's a good point. Yeah, we'll see if we can get rejected out of it. If we will, could potentially be short for me again. We have some single prints. I'm pretty sure we have. We can obviously check that, but not yet. It's gonna develop in 8 minutes. And in 8 minutes, we expect another volatility. So we'll see. Usually when there is the FOMC meeting or the statement after it, how it looks is that who is actually releasing the day or the news? The guy here or the woman. I'm not sure if it's a guy or woman. I've never really like watched the conference, but literally, if you check like the record of the statement, they're gonna say, "Hello, everybody," and the market is like either shooting up or down. It's really stupid. Like trading during the news, it's a bit of a gamble. I don't want to call this gamble, but low liquidity movements. For me, it's just better to stay on the sidelines. And also, I think that it's restricted to trade on FTMO during these news today. I'm not 100% sure, but there is a high chance it is to restricted to enter a new position. So we can do some quick. On swing account you can enter. Yeah, on swing you can. But on swing you have only 1x leverage, I think. Not on Forex, but on BTC I'm pretty sure you do. In news events. So I guess you need to go to the client area. Yeah. Yeah, I see now. Okay. You know what? Let's close this. Let's see the full details of this event if we have any. You see that everything is up except the dollar index, obviously. I'm happy that I got out actually. We are still like hovering around it. I'm gonna wait for a better confirmation to go short again. Okay, so EURUSD actually created SFP 15-minute time frame. 30 minutes, I'm pretty sure it's gonna create SFP2. 1 hour, we have to wait for that. Would I short this? Well, not really. Too risky in my opinion. You know, I took profit on the short. Now I'm just waiting. Stop loss in BE, break even. So yeah, from here, risk-free position. Let me check my entry exactly. I was underwater actually for a while. Yeah, this is my entry in to the long today. So you see, it's not like perfect. Could have been better, but it's also not bad. Let's take the order flow on a 5-minute time frame. Actually, we have quite a lot of longs up there. And no, shorts actually. So we trapped a lot of shorts here. I'm sorry, yeah, short. But here, this is the candle that decided that the move is gonna continue a bit up since we got quite a lot of buying pressure. Yeah, this daily with the value area high can, if you are still in, I would be waiting for that level to be reclaimed, probably. Like the POC can be a bit weaker, if you know what I mean. So maybe wait for that exact daily with the value area high, and then you'll see. We have the FOMC meeting, or yeah, the statement of it now. So we can expect some another volatility coming in, but I'm expecting smaller actually than we got 30 minutes ago. But we'll see. We'll see. I'm gonna stream for next 20-25 minutes. Then I have to finish the stream because we have the Education Plus call inside the Wizards membership. So the Education Plus members, be ready for the call. We are starting in 30 minutes from now. So get ready. We're gonna be on Zoom. And if you are not Wizard yet, then check our website. You'll find a link below the video. Right here, upgrade page. You can select either the Wizards or the Wizards Plus. With the Wizards Plus, the thing is that you actually get access to these calls with the Wizards. You can only watch the record. Here you can actually participate in the call, but also you'll unlock the whole courses page. So with all of the courses that we have prepared for you here, and also to our Discord, where we are keeping our members updated on a daily basis. So here, this is my channel. Then we have a Chris. And then we also have a CV analyst channel. We have 2 analysts inside the Crypto Wizard that brings like another point of view to the markets, or simply if we are not here, then the guys are keeping the team updated. So you'll find a link below. Give it a try for 1 month. and you'll see if it's worth it or not. Read our testimonials first, obviously, before buying the subscription. But anyway, you see we are front running the level. Let's check other exchanges if we hit it. On Binance almost. So same as on BTC. USD on Bybit. You can check USDT. Yeah, on USDT to the dollar. Exactly to the dollar. Look at this. By the way, if you are wondering how I'm spotting these horizontals, then visit our website. You don't have to pay. Okay, you can simply sign up for a free spectator plan. Go to courses. Go to spectator here. And it's called horizontals. This video right there. This is the one where I'm explaining how you can use these horizontals. Closing some longs now. I would be looking for creating more of the imbalances up there. We don't have a lot of them yet. You see here we have stacked imbalances, but here on the new candle, not yet. We'll see how it goes. I would also be looking for getting acceptance back inside the previous day value area high, but the gold is actually crossing the resistance that I was talking about. Let's check it. Where was it exactly? I wouldn't go short yet on the gold. Like, look at this. Would you short this? Well, you don't want to go short here. I think that this was also 618 and a 66 on the gold. No. 786. What about euro? Oh, euro actually. Did it create? That's, yeah. So, okay. 30 minutes time frame, swing value pattern, but this is the thing that I was talking about. Like, you don't want to go short here, obviously, do you? I guess you don't. We finally created this single prints, I think. Let's check it just to make sure. Yeah, but we don't have a lot of them actually. I use more advanced template in a desktop version, but we can use the web too. Only 9 of them on a tick size 20. On tick size 50 we'll have 5 or 4. 3 actually only. Be looking for 20,550 to be revisited. But it doesn't have to happen. Like the theory with a single print is that it can bounce off of the high of the SPs, which is why I can't add a line here. Basically here, 20,625. Right there. Potential scalp level for you. Not a financial advice, keep that in mind. In my opinion, it would make sense to reverse these low liquidity moves because of the low liquidity. Therefore, my plan is looking for more shorts than longs. I mean, yes, but you also need to consider that a lot of people will feel bullish now after the news, so they will be buying, right? So, yeah, technically you are right, but the thing is that it doesn't have to play out. We are touching the single prints now, actually. We are feeling them. That Euro USD trade, oh my god, that was a good one. Okay, simply getting rejected out of the daily here. Euro USD also heavily reversing. So I think that we are getting some good news for DXY now. That's why the whole market is reacting to this like it is now. Yeah. This is my entry, so I'm still fine. Stop loss and break even though. I took the profit already. I think 4K, what was it? 3K. Can check that. Yeah, 3,400. Okay, gold is actually getting rejected from that 1667 that I was talking about. Oh my goodness, what a huge reaction on the gold. Did we get any very bearish news from that FOMC statement? It's related to it, but this is the thing that I'm talking about. Like, you don't want to trade during the news here. Even though, like, you know, normally this would be valid setup for me. The value area high with the daily. I would go short here, but since we got the news, also that's the reason why I placed my stop loss and break even. Because what could have happened is that I would keep it here, right? Like, normally this would be the stop loss. What could have happened is that we would get like a pump and rocket to the upside, you know. You don't want to catch these moves. So simply said, I'm rather staying on the sidelines. I'm going to wait for a price to develop a bit, and then it's going to give me next opportunity. And like you see live on the FTMO, basically on the FTMO account from this week, I'm up by what, 13-14% without any news, like standard normal trading. I was just waiting for best possible opportunity to come, and it's here. Shorted, took profits, stop loss at break even. Well done, Ken. Well done. I'm gonna check if I was able to trade during the second FOMC statement. Overall, I'm still looking for a BTC to revisit like 17,000 area. Okay, guys, I'm gonna finish the stream. The plan is still the same. Like, as soon as we are inside this range, I'm staying on the sidelines. Like, honestly, I'm not gonna take any setup here. Overall, if we're not gonna break through 20,800, which is locally key level, look for the 19,700, sorry, 800, 900 level. On the gold, I would stay on the sidelines. Overall, I'd be looking for the 61866, 1686, 1691. EURUSD, the plan is still the same. I'm also still remaining in a long. And I would be looking higher to that 618 and the 66, which is coming up here. So that's the plan for now. Thank you for joining me on stream. Once again, if you want to be part of our team, visit the website, link is below the video. Go to the upgrade page and select your plan. If you like the stream, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It would support us, and also share the live stream with your friends. This is everything for today, and see you in the next one.